Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to contact customer service in Facebook from your account on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So Facebook doesn't have a direct customer service phone number, but you can just contact them through their help center and support inbox. That's how you can just control contact to customer service in Facebook. So to do so, you just need to click on this option menu, which is at the very bottom right of the page, and after that you just need to select the help center of the Facebook. So this is the help center of this Facebook, and just need to click on the option help center, and you can just provide your instructions or specific issues to the account, and you can just report a problem to Facebook. So to report a problem, you just need to follow the prompts to submit your issues. So that's how you can just report a problem and contact with the Facebook help center from your account in the Facebook. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.